Very good morning, everyone. Now, today we'll be discussing the last lecture of our essay topic about preparation. How to prepare for essay. Now, you could say, sir, this is the first topic. How can you say this is the last topic? Till now, we have discussed what should be written in your essay. Now, here we will be discussing how to generate all these points, from where to generate all these points, what to read to write this essay. So, this is an open-ended topic. I will keep on attaching new points to this topic on our Gnandeep IAS YouTube channel. So you keep subscribed for this channel to get more and more updates. So a simple how to prepare for essay. Very simple thing. First thing, daily writing practice should be there for scoring very good marks in essay. Then you will say, sir, I cannot write essay. I have not practiced essay. I have not joined any coaching class for writing essay. No need for all these things. Sir, it is very difficult to write essay of 1000 words. Sir, I have not practiced it anywhere. So I'm getting very frightened. Sir, tension. Why all these things? Start writing an essay of in the beginning of just only 50 words. Start with 50 words. Or before that, I would suggest you take a page every day, spend 15 minutes on making structure of the topic, and then you write the essay. First, in the beginning, start making a structure of the essay for 15 to 16 days. Think what you can write. Don't think about introduction. Don't think about conclusion. Don't think about quotation. Just leave everything. Just think about the structures and dimensions for first few days. This practice, this habit of having thinking is the most important part of essay. So, first few days, just make a structure, then start writing in the beginning 50 words of essay, then 100 words, then 125 words. Take your own time. Those who are going to start practicing this essay, those who have not written even a single essay, you should have a calibrated, gradual approach for writing essay. Don't write an essay of 1000 words. This will completely demoralize you. So, I'm suggesting you start writing small essays in the beginning. Then, what you are expected, those who are writing means for this year, make a list of all topics from current event, or you will get this list of all topics of current event anywhere on a ready-made coaching class website. Make a list of all topics, at least 100 to 125 topics you will get. Then out of those topics, select at least 25 to 30 probable topics which you feel will come in this year. Now, to get an idea about the probable topics, go through previous year's question paper of the essay, or go through the types of essay lecture I have delivered on our YouTube channel. There you will get an idea what kinds of essays are being asked in by UPSC. So go through types of essay topic on our YouTube channel. Clear? Make a list of all probable topics. Then after making a list, start generating ideas, example, quotations, everything for these topics, for these probable topics. You have to prepare all these probable topics in advance to score maximum marks. Clear? First aspect. Then start writing small essays. Every alternate day, 1 hour should be given for brainstorming an essay topic. Every alternate day, at least 1 hour should be given for a brainstorming on an essay topic. At least 2 topics should be brainstormed at every alternate day. I repeat once again, those who wants to score more than 160 plus marks, they should devote at least 160 plus. So they should devote at least 1 hour every alternate day for brainstorming of the topic, and 2 topics should be brainstormed every alternate day. 2 topics for 1 hour. Then make a collection of good words, good sentences, good examples, good quotations, good case studies based on the list of probable topics you have selected. Based on the list of probable topics you have selected, you have to prepare these probable topics in the entire dimension of essay so that you can use the data you have generated during this preparation in your examination. Then keep as many introductions and conclusions ready as possible in your mind. That's many number of introductions and conclusions, so that when you are going to write your essay in an actual sense, you will write very good introduction and conclusion as compared to what you are thinking in your home. Why? Because every time in examination, you have this positive tension working, and positive tension helps you to generate more constructive points. I repeat once again, positive tension helps you to generate more constructive points to write very good essays. That's why I'm repeating you. Remember here, keep as many introductions and conclusions as possible which you can use in your essay examination. Then work on language. Now When I'm saying work on language, it does not mean use very hard language, use very technical language, or use very jargonized language. Avoid everything. Use a language which is simple, which is lucid, very small sentences, understandable sentences. I repeating once again, only the students who are writing very simple and good language will score very good marks. Good content and good simple language will give you the maximum marks in the essay preparation. So work on language, which is the most critical part. Why I'm telling you this thing? Remember, essay is literary reflection of your personality, and the word literary itself is based on a good language. So you have to work on language, work on your handwriting. Make a collection of factual data as per the requirement of topic. Factual data for substantiation, important data for substantiation, which you can put in your essay. So make a collection of factual data which you can use in your essay examination. What you can use for these good languages, good sentences, good data, use Yojna and Kurukshetra magazine. But I am telling you, don't read complete Yojna and Kurukshetra magazine. Have a selective reading of Yojna and Kurukshetra magazine. Basically, in the beginning of every topic and at the end of every topic, certain good sentences and good data is provided which you can use in your essay. So try to collect those data in a notebook and try to mug up that data which you can use in your examination. So Yojna magazine can be used, Kurukshetra magazine can be used, Economic and Political Weekly, but very rarely, very selectively it can be used. Then letters to editor from the newspaper like Hindu. Just those who are feeling that they do not have very good language, just go through letters to editor. You will get an idea about a very good sentences and very good languages on various topics. Just mug up those lines. Then use internet. That is very obvious. Join any good test series. You can join Gnandip Academy's good test series where you will have this access to all these videos and also discussions. Make structure of all previous year's essay topic every alternate day. If you have at least 100 structures ready and if you mug up those 100 structures, I assure you, you will definitely score more than 165 plus marks in essay paper. So make all structures of all previous year's essay topic. As you get time, collect the data on every topic. I assure you, you will not get any topic beyond the previous year's essay topic. This is the key to score maximum marks in the essay. So thank you very much from my side. Basically, this was a series on essay. You can join this essay test series from our online Gnandip Academy app. It is available for both Marathi as well as English medium. But the only thing you have to keep in mind, just go through all these essay topics which are very, very crucial for scoring good marks. Clear? So that's why just go through all these lectures. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.